The second important dimension of business environment is social environment. In this dimension, we will discuss how society will impact or influence the business activities. Actually, every business is a part of society, and business is totally guided by social values, social practices, social trend, and society's expectation. We can see different examples how social value influence our business and corporate world. In our Indian context, you can say in the eve of religious festivals, the demand of greetings and sweets becomes very high, and that industry will grow that particular moment. Social value also influence the business very much. Social value means, suppose if you visit in rural areas, their dresses, their actual dress, their values, their culture, their expectation, each and everything directly or indirectly affect or influence the business activities. You cannot imagine to open a t-shirt and jeans shop in a rural areas or in a travel areas, because in that area a particular peoples may not accept your product. Acceptance of business or acceptance of any kind of product or services largely depends on society's practices, views, and attitudes, that is attitude of the customer. Now, major elements of business environment, social environment are attitude towards product innovation, lifestyles, occupational distribution, and consumer preferences. सोसाइटी का एटीट्यूड कैसा है हमारा प्रोडक्ट इनोवेशन के बारे में, लाइफ स्टाइल्स कैसा है, occupational distribution सोसाइटी का कैसा है, how many people are doing what type of job, that also depends on overall business of that particular area, and also largely depends on consumer preferences. Actually, what consumer wants from the business, that is important. Concerns about quality of life, how people are serious to get the quality product, that also largely depend on the business. Life expectancy, expectations from the workforce, what the employee actually want, shift in the presence of women in the workforce, birth and death rates, population shifts, educational system and literacy rate, consumption habits, composition of family. You can see each and every points, each and every factors discussed here is a part of society's value, society's culture, and society's attitude. So each and everything that dealing with the business depends on that social components. Now, the third important business environment is technological environment. We also know how the technology influence the business. Change in technology, change in technology make a business totally सक्सेस और वाइस वर्सा. यदि आपका कंपनी, आपका बिजनेस, आपका प्रोडक्ट यदि टेक्नोलॉजी का चेंजेस को अडॉप्ट नहीं कर पाता है तो योर बिजनेस विल नेवर सक्सीड. तो इन ऑर्डर टू सर्वाइव इन द मार्केट लॉन्ग रन, you have to adopt, you have to adopt a new upcoming upgradation of technological environment. Technology will guide the business. Business will not guided by technology. Recent technological advances in computers and electronics have modified the way in which advertise their product. You can see in the field of advertisements how technologies are being used. Airlines companies have internet in the World Wide Web page where customers can look for flight times, destinations and fare and book their online tickets. You know that doing business mode of doing business now changes every day. Mode of doing business now changes every day in every moment through technology. That is, you can say that technological part largely influence the business activities.